Hello everyone, today I would like to do some presentation. It has about implementation of the decentralized chat of smart contract on the Ethereum Spolia testnet. But before we go into start it, let me introduce myself. My name is Helen Kezia Nofitri Siahaan with an NEM 2023-32035. In here, I already opened up my Remix IDA with MetaMask as the toolbar pin, the Ether scan, and the Ethereum Spolia faucet. For the first of all, I need to inform you guys because I doesn't have many times to explain this. I would like to make it shorter to the explanation, and I hope you guys can know what I'm talking about. First of all, the version of the Solidity in here is 0.8.19, and the contract decentralized chat as the library has struct methods inside of it. We have address sender, string content, and uint256 timestamp. Address sender is used to know which wallet and to whom we have to chat with. Uh, whom is have the chat in here, and the string content is to write down the message you want to send, and the UN256 is for the timestamp to know what time you doing the chat. For the message public chat history in here to it have to be assigned down that you already declare your send message is will be saved at the blockchain, and the even new message in here will it used to make some declare some information to the front end that you have a new message. How the function send message in here is used to make some process for your new message, and the emit new message in here is using to make some trigger from the Remix IDA to the MetaMask. After that, for the function get history in here is to get the history by all of the information from it, but the chat history is a little bit different that the chat history is used to view up your message. And I would like to explain the compiler. You need to make the compiler same as the version we write down in here. You can compile in here and deploy. From the deploy, you need to exchange from the Remix VM to browser extension, and uh, you can see the drop down and choose disable yet that's not MetaMask. How you guys can have this amount of Ethernet, you guys can going to the Ethereum Spolia faucet, copy from the MetaMask in here, paste in here, and you guys can have amount like 0.0500 Ethereum, and you guys can doing some transaction. For the transaction, begin with the add contract to make a new transaction, and it will be make some relation from the Remix IDA to the MetaMask, which is the Sepolia. After you guys going to doing some add contract in here, you guys can doing the function and like the get chat history, or the new message. In here, we can see the same message. I'm using hi, and it already go to the history, and we can get the chat history by call like this, and it will be debugged in here. Yeah, if you guys want to know what kind or what time, you guys can go to the other scan in here. We can refresh this one, and 6 minutes ago I already doing, and in here is print out the transaction in here. For the send message is already confirmation in here. Maybe just that I can explain to you guys. I'm sorry because bad English in here, but I hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to explain to you guys. See you in the next practice maybe. Bye bye.